Yes, I want pizza. I want 2 slices from the 6. Okay, I'm coming. Yes, I'm here again. Here is your favorite math teacher, Temitope Afumelayo Abdul, on your favorite math TV station, Top Notch Figures TV. How are you today? Do you also want pizza? Are you sure you want? How many pieces do you want? Okay, I'll send yours. Alright, today we will be learning about fractions. We will be learning about what? Fractions! Welcome everyone! Fractions, what's fraction? You heard me talking about pizza and I asked if you want. Okay, in that pizza, we actually got a large size of 8. You see? And the pizza was this big round, and it's now shared into 8. Into 8. 8. I just told them, there, this is my pizza, shared into those 8 pieces. Into 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just as and I said, I want 2 out of all the 8. I want just 1, 2. I want those 2 out of everything. Now, from what I've just said, can you tell me what fraction means? I want 2 out of the 8. So meaning what? That 2 that I want, it is part of everything, right? So you can now say that from what I just said, that I want 2 from the whole thing, you can now say fraction is a part of a whole. Did you get that? Fraction is a part of a whole. Like this is a whole big pizza. Everything here is a whole big pizza. Now I'm taking 2 out of everything. If I take these 2 out of it, so I have taken part of this whole. So now it becomes a fraction. I have taken 2 out of 8, meaning I have taken 2 out of everything. 8, which is divided into. Now, do you know that this that I've written has a name? Here, this part, the part I took and the part which everything is, has a name. The part I took, it's called what? Your numerator. That is what the part taken. And the whole, everything, it's called your denominator. Do you get that? Your numerator is what you've taken and which is always at the upper part. And the denominator is the total of everything you've taken from, which is always at the bottom. Do you get that? Your numerator is what? At the upper part, and then you have your denominator below. Get that? Now, from there, let's move to something else. Quickly, now we want to tell types of fraction. We have different types of fraction. And now remember, your numerator and your denominator, remember, it's very important. Then now we'll move to types of fraction. We want to quickly talk about the types of fraction. We have what? We have proper fraction. We have the proper fraction. From the word proper, that is, it's good. That is how it should be. It's normal. Yes, It's proper. That's good. From there, we look at this. When we talk about proper fraction is where you have a smaller number sitting on a bigger number. Let me give you an instance. Probably you're going out with mommy and you get to the bus stop. When you get to the bus stop, you want to board a bus, and the bus has just one seat left, and it's you and mommy. Who is supposed to carry who? Mommy is supposed to lap you, right? Mommy is supposed to lap you, not you lapping mommy. So that is, you are the smaller number, 2. Mommy is the bigger number, 5. So this is an example of a proper fraction. When your numerator is smaller than your denominator. When your numerator is smaller and your denominator is bigger, then that is a proper fraction. We have another type of fraction is improper. It is not proper. It is not improper. Like I just said, like the example I just gave, you get to the bus stop, the bus has just one seat left. Now, improper is the opposite of proper. So that means it is what? The inverse. Then now it will be what? Bigger, when you have your numerator bigger than your denominator. When your numerator is bigger and your denominator is smaller. That is another example. That is another type of what? Fraction. Then we have another one. We have the mixed numbers. Yeah. This time, we just said mixed. It is mixed together. They collaborate. They are together. As in everything mixed. So it's mixed together. We have a whole number with a proper fraction. A whole number with a proper fraction. That is what? A mixed number. Where you have a whole number and what? A proper fraction together, it is a mixed number. And this mixed number can be converted, no matter what you do. When you change it, you can only change a mixed number to an improper fraction. A mixed number can be changed to this. You change this to an improper fraction. When we get there, you will understand what I just said. And we have another one, equivalent fraction. When we go further, you will get to understand this. But I want you to please put this in mind. Know the names of the parts of your fraction, where you have your numerator at the top, and you have your denominator at the bottom. Here is your whole number. And here is what the fractional part, which is your numerator and the denominator. Here is your fractional part. Here is the fractional part, where you have what? Your numerator and your denominator. Alright, this is just an intro. So we meet in our next class. Do remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Alright, see you in our next class. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. I love you all.